Welcome to IHM Bhopal. It's just not an institute. It's living, breathing, and carrying a hotel in your heart. Here, the learning goes beyond classroom. It all depends on why and how you have joined our institute. I would say it's a running hotel where you feel every day as in you're coming here to learn something new, and nothing is new when you join as a professional in a hotel. Journey of the student starts here with the basic learning, where their professionalism comes up starting from the entry level, that is basic training kitchen, where a lot of emphasis is made on the gourmet, the skills, and enhancement and liking towards the mastery of cooking. After bakery, we have a beautiful environment created in the hotel, which is the first impression when the guest walks in. That's called the front office department, where you can see a lobby and smart people, well-groomed, well-dressed, welcoming you with a great smile and creating a vibe that you have entered into the domain of hospitality. The moment you finish this, you learn about welcoming and, giving the best of rooms which are available with the hotel. You take them to the next department, that is housekeeping. The concept of housekeeping here differs to your home. It doesn't only involve the cleaning and the hygiene part. It also gives you the essence of aesthetics, where the flower arrangement, the look, the aesthetics, the paintings, the upholstery, the designing of the bed, even taking the concept of your headboards to the floors, everything is kept in mind for the requirement and whatever the guest has been seeing in the world, because nowadays the travel has become very common. People travel various countries, so they know about different hotels. So when you enter into Taj or you enter into Oberoi's, you can similarly entering into the room can call it a Taj hotel room, because the structure, the fixing of amenities, the kind of structure of the bed or the I would say the bathroom, which is very similarly categorized to the essence of the food hotel chain. This is what we have actually tried and included, not only depending on the curriculum, what we teach them, but also in terms of the practical thing when they come and join us. Because the first year actually decides their career and department choice, whether somebody would like to go and make his career in kitchen or bakery or the front of the house, which is front office, or the back of the house, or other operations of the department. And this journey will continue for the second year and third year. The only difference will remain will be the increment and the enhancement of the levels of kitchen. Like in second year, you learn bulk kitchen, you emphasize more on regional cuisines, you emphasize more on Indian desserts, you name a cuisine which is there in India, right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Kerala, Rajasthan, east part of India. So everything is included. Students are taught in bulk kitchen so that the concept of wedding comes into the mind, that in case you want to cook for 500 people, what is the requirement of the ingredients, how the food is cooked in a larger vessel. And similarly, you enter into the next level, which is your third year, where your advanced training kitchens are there. You involve yourself into various international cuisines. You call it sushi from Japan, or you call it a cuisine from Italy, or Germany, or France, you name anything. The reason for, teaching them everything for all four departments, all four areas, other than the back office, which is also called the supportive area, which supports the system, like sales and marketing, or the facility management, or the hotel engineering department, or the human resources. These are all included because these allied departments are very important to run the hotel in a proper functional manner. The hotel can become operationally successful only if all these are interrelated and the best of communication is happening between them. So hereby, I welcome you on board to a great journey. You will carry this journey for 3 years with us. We would definitely groom you, train you, increase your communication level, and make you a smart hotelier where you can go in the industry and people would be happily saying that we are proud to have somebody from IHM Bhopal. So I thank you very much and God bless you. Here we don't replicate the hotel life. We live in it, we cherish it, and we enjoy every moment. So, in the last, I thank you all and I welcome all of you to IHM Bhopal.